If you or someone you know likes to bust out the pots and pans at home for some organised kitchen chaos, get ready to cook up a storm with some of our favourite products and coolest gifts for the foodie at home. For the coffee lovers, a machine to make your favourite beverage for you is an absolute must. Entry-level pod machines are great for those who need their coffee as quickly and efficiently as possible. They're easy to use and don't take up too much space. Or step it up a notch with barista quality machines that allow you to experiment with your favourite local bean blends, latte art, and give you far more control over the quality of your coffee. Air fryers are like the oven of the future and deserve a place in practically every kitchen. They can cook almost anything by using concentrated air and just a fraction of the oil needed with conventional ovens, making your food not only delicious, but healthier for you too. Smaller capacity models are perfect for snacks and bites to keep the party going, or serve the whole family at once with larger capacity models, capable of serving up a range of foods for all occasions. Juicers and blenders are a great convenient way to get loads of nutritious goodness into a glass. JB has a big range to choose from for any kitchen. Starter models are relatively compact, are easy to clean, and will make all sorts of juice or blended creations for you to enjoy. Higher end models have the capacity to make up to 2 litres at a time and have cooling tech to make them ready to drink straight away or store away in the fridge for later. If the kind of juice in your fridge is of the grape variety, you can't go wrong with a wine cooling cabinet. With some entry-level designs offering storage of up to 50 bottles, optimal humidity levels, and built-in anti-UV glass, your next glass will be as good as the last one. Or take it to the next level with triple glazed black glass, a lockable door, and the ability to detail your collection in an app so you will know exactly what you'd like to drink. A SODASTREAM is a great H2O upgrade for your kitchen. By simply filling the included bottle and attaching it to the mounting point, you can choose up to 3 levels of fizziness to add to your water, allowing up to 60 full bottles of sparkling water off of 1 carbonation cylinder. You can even choose from a range of classic flavours to add to your water, including Pepsi Max, 7-Up, ginger beer, and more. We've got a massive range of great gift ideas for the foodie at home, and while not all items are available in all stores, you can shop the full range at jbhifi.com.au.